Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's weather update. Today we have a marginal risk of severe weather across areas of eastern North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. Another marginal risk across areas of southeastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, and the northwest Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. And then we have another marginal risk extending across areas of the south central and southern U.S. in the dark green areas. Looking at today's tornado threat, I am happy to report that there is a less than 2% chance of tornadoes touching down within 25 miles of a location across all areas of the United States today. Looking at the damaging wind threat today, there's a 5% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location across these brown shaded areas today. So make sure you watch out for some isolated damaging wind gusts if you live in these areas. And looking at the hail threat, we just have 5% chances of quarter size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location across these three brown areas. So make sure you watch out for some isolated large hail if you live in these areas today. Now, looking at today's flooding chances, looking at the excessive flooding rainfall outlook for today, we have slight risk of flooding rainfall across, again, much of the southwest with the monsoon. We have a slight risk across far southwestern Texas with what's left of Invest 98L. And then we have another slight risk across portions of central southern Missouri and northern Arkansas in these yellow areas. And then we have marginal risks for excessive flooding rainfall in these dark green areas. So make sure you prepare for some isolated to scattered flash flooding if you live in these areas today. And then finally, looking at the tropics, we do have a disturbance that is situated over the southwestern Caribbean that is expected to move into the Bay of Campeche and into the western Gulf over the next 3 to 5 days. And as of 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, August 16th, 2022, has a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 5 days. So I'm going to keep my eye on this system to see if it ends up developing into anything. But it looks like it could swing up towards Texas, once again possibly bringing more beneficial rain. So thanks for watching today's weather update. Make sure you prepare for severe weather, isolated severe weather, and flash flooding if you live in the shade areas today. Have a wonderful day, my friends.